Nasubukan mo na bang naging breadwinner? Nasubukan mo na bang ikaw lang ang kumikita sa buong pamilya and then wala nang natitira sa sahod mo? Every now and then, pagkasahod mo, wala kang tinitira sa sarili mo kasi you love your family, you love your family members na umaasa sa'yo. And hindi na sila kakain kung hindi ka magpapadala. Pero nakakalimutan nyo na kayo na nandito sa abroad, kailangan nyo din na mabuhay. Kailangan nyo ng therapy para nang sa ganun, hindi kayo magkasakit mentally, physically, and emotionally. So, when you get your salary, you have to treat yourself. You know the therapy na pwede nyong gawin? One is, kumain kayo ng pagkain na kailangan nyong kainin at saka gustong-gusto nyong kainin. Pangalawa, buy the clothes, proper clothes para sa sarili nyo. Especially if you're in a country na malamig, you need to buy the proper clothes. You have to love yourself. Kasi those two options na sinabi ko, that is the way you're going to heal yourself kung ano man yung mga pagsubok at challenges sa buhay nyo dito sa abroad. Iba talaga kapag sasabihin mo na yes, umaasa yung pamilya ko. Yes, because I love them, I'm away from them. I'm just gonna send whatever they want and let them sit down. Let them actually enjoy the life. Pero hindi mo nakakalimutan nyo na kailangan nyo ring i-treat yung sarili nyo. Alam nyo ba, pagdating ng panahon when you are already asking and umaasa na kayo sa mga taong tinulungan nyo, hindi naman ibibigay sa inyo kung ano yung wish nyo na noong time na kumikita kayo eh. Ang ibibigay sa inyo is, one is donation, hindi kung ano yung bukal sa loob nila. And it's not a lot of people actually can give the way you give before. So I am telling everyone, if you are the breadwinner, huwag niyong kalimutan na i-treat ang sarili niyo. Huwag niyong kalimutan na now you're making money, you have to heal yourself by buying the things na kailangan mong gamot sa sarili mo, emotionally especially, at saka mentally. Mahirap malayo sa pamilya, pero mas mahirap kapag ikaw na ang nangailangan and then hindi ka naman makakahingi ng tulong sa mga pinagbibigyan mo ng tulong, right? So, you have to love yourself before others para nang sa ganun mas stronger ka in order for you to live longer at saka healthier. Para at the end, ma-enjoy mo kung ano man yung mga goal nyo in the long run. So, yun lang. Nakita ko kasi sa mga nag-a-abroad dito, they don't love themselves at all, honestly. May mga iba naman magasto talaga, but that's not what my point is. What my point is, wag mong ipadala lahat yung pera mo to the point na okay, I'm giving whatever yung wishes ng aking family, but sa akin I can't even buy the good clothes, the good food para sa sarili ko. And all the people who are actually umaasa sa mga breadwinner sa abroad, try nyo naman po na tulungan yung taong nasa abroad. Hindi yung umaasa na lang kayo palagi. Kasi at the end, hindi po permanent ang taong, ang strength ng taong yun. Hindi rin permanent yung kanyang kinikita. So, both sides, it's a technique. When you are in abroad, it is a technique for you guys to actually handle your finances, no matter how big that is, no matter how small that is. You have to love yourself first bago ang mga taong umaasa sa inyo. I think it's a real talk. At the same time, I hope it will gonna be applied sa buhay ninyo. I was also a breadwinner once, but I made sure na hindi ko pababayaan yung sarili ko. And I made sure also, and I prayed a lot, na hindi mababaliktad yung pangyayari na ako na ang manghihingi ng tulong. But thank God, God is good. We are freed from that situation, and I'm glad that I started being the breadwinner. And now, if I see my family right now, inaani na namin kung ano yung mga pinaghirapan namin noon, and especially me, kung ano yung pinaghirapan ko, nakita ko na sila ngayon na they're really doing well. So, it is a technique, it is a scheme, how to actually be a successful breadwinner to the whole family. And you can free yourself to be a breadwinner. I can guarantee you, if only you know how to handle them properly. Love yourself first before others.